Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about divisibility rule of some of the numbers. Let's start with the number 10. What is the rule for number 10? It says if a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. All the multiples of 10 has 0 in its ones place, or any other number which has 0 in its ones place will be divisible by 10. For example, 100, 1000, 3200, etc. Another number, divisibility by 5. If a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place, it is divisible by 5. Any number which has 0 or 5 in its ones place. All multiples of 5 and 10s or any other number which has 5 or 0 in its unit place will be divisible by 5. Let's check the divisibility by another number, which is divisibility by 2. Okay, a number is completely divisible by 2. A number can be completely divided by 2 if it has any of the digits like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Then it is completely divisible by 2. Okay, or also 2, 4, 6 and 8 are multiples of 2. So any number like 2410 or any other number which has 0, 6, 8, 2 and 4 in its unit place, it will be divisible by 2. Okay, now let's find the divisibility rule for 3. It says if the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, okay, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, if I have a number which has 3 digits, then the sum of the each digits, all the 3 digits, if divisible by 3, then the entire number will be divisible by 3. Let's take here the example of number 219. Okay, so the sum of the 200, all the digits of the 219 will be 2 plus 1 plus 9. It will be 12. So 12 is divisible by 3, completely divisible by 3. So the entire number 219 will be divisible by 3. So this was the divisibility rule by 3. Let's move for the divisibility rule by 4. Okay. Okay, now first see the divisibility rule by 6. It's easy. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. Example will be 18. Number will be divisible by 2 because it has 8 in its one place, and sum of 1 plus 8 is 9, so it will be divisible by 3 also. Let's check divisibility by 4. It says a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Okay, that is for example 212. The last 2 digit is 12, so the 12 is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. The entire number will be divisible by 4. So this rule is applicable only for 3 digit number or more. So in 1936, the last 2 digit is 36, and 36 is divisible by 4. 4 9s are 36. So the entire number will be divisible by 4. Let's take divisibility rule for 8. What is divisibility rule for 8? If a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8, if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the entire number will be divisible by 8. Here the example is 73512. The last 3 digit number is 512, which is divisible by 8. The last 3 digit will be divisible by 8, so the entire number will be divisible by 8. Then divisibility rule for 9. It says if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. For example, take the example of the numbers 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and so on. All these numbers are divisible by 9. How can we check? Add the digits of the number. For example, if I add 4 plus 5, if I take the example of 45 and I add 4 plus 5, it gives as 9. So the 9 is multiple of 9. 9 is divided by 9. So the 45 is divisible by 9. Then the number 4608, the sum of the digit is 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8, that is 18. Again 18 is divisible by 9, so the entire number will be divisible by 9. Let's check the divisibility by 11. in next slide what it says. Divisibility by 11. The rule for the divisibility by 11 is find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right side and the sum of the digits at even places from the right side only. And the difference of the number is if 0 or 11, then the if 0 or divisible by 11, if the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, let's take the example 61809. So the number in the odd places will be 9 because it is in first, it is the first number. Then the third number is 8, it is also odd number. Then the fifth number is 6, it is also odd number. So the odd numbers are here 9. The numbers at odd places are here 9 plus 8 plus 6. The sum is 23. Then sum of the digits at even places, that is number 0 is in the second place and number 1 is at the fourth place. So both are odd places, even places. The sum of 1 plus 0 is the sum of the digits at even place. So that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then sum of the digits, the difference will be at odd and even places will be 23 minus 1, that is 22. The difference is 22. It is divisible by 11. So the entire number will be divisible by 11. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, support my videos. Thank you so much.